Welcome to this channel. In this channel, you are going to observe how a battery charger block diagram explains to you how a battery charger works to charge a rechargeable battery. Unveiling the battery charger block diagram. From the power supply and transformer to rectifiers, regulators and control circuits, join us on an electrifying journey through the intricacies of battery charger design. Whether you are an electronics enthusiast or simply curious about the technology behind everyday devices, this video is your ultimate guide to mastering the battery charger block diagram. In the first place of the battery charger block diagram, a step-down power transformer is used to recharge the battery. Mainly, the transformer will be in the step-down mode, that is 230 volts is being reduced to the required voltage, low voltage output required to charge the battery. Hence, normally the primary winding will be more and secondary will be less. So, in this battery charger, the ratings of the transformer is very important. For nominal low current battery chargers, 500 milliamps to 1 ampere step-down transformer will be used. For higher capacity requiring 10 amperes, 20, 30 amperes, a big power transformer is required which delivers more current to charge the battery. This is the important vital component of the battery charger in the block diagram. Battery charger block diagram that reduced low voltage AC power supply that is being converted into unidirectional current through a rectifier. This rectifier requires, according to the required battery to be charged. In the low current designs, 1 ampere diodes are being used. For higher currents, more than 20-30 amperes rectifier diodes, higher capacity diodes are being used in this design. So sometimes there will be a bridge rectifier may also be used to charge the battery. Hence, the rectifier is the vital next component in the block diagram. On the third place, a limit switch is used after the unidirectional current to charge the current battery. When to start and when to stop. A switch is being incorporated in the circuit. So, a switch will be an electronic circuit controlled by many control systems that we will discuss later. So, the switch is important to cut off the current supply when the battery is fully charged, or when the battery requires charging, it switches on to pass on the supply current. In the third place, a charging current limiter is used. Usually, a resistor is used to current the charging current to the required level. For the safety of the battery to be charged, a limiting current limiter is required. That is included in the diagram. That is the battery charger block diagram. Charging current is limited through a resistor. In this block diagram, through the current limiter, the required battery is connected to be charged, noting the polarity of the charger. The positive terminal will be connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and the negative terminal of the charger is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. The battery will be simple 1 ampere 500 milliamps, like a small current charger, or heavy duty types 6 volt 10 amperes, 6 volt 20 amperes, 40 amperes, 100 amperes. Even car batteries are being used for charging this in the battery circuit diagram. So the battery depends on the what type of battery to be charged, from the low current to higher current. It all depends upon the design of the battery charger. If the battery charger requires higher current, then a sturdy blocked battery charger will be required. Hence, the charger will be heavy, hectic, and it appears a bigger one. For smaller chargers, a small unit will be sufficient. Through the battery, the current, the switching operation, and it monitors through monitor and control systems. The monitor and control systems carry out the battery charging operation to switch on the circuit, and immediately after the charging is over, it switches off the power supply. That takes care of by the monitor and control. That is an electronics device connected in the circuit diagram to control the charging pattern, charging process. Hence, the monitor and control is an electronic circuit. In low quality battery chargers, low quality and low current battery chargers, the monitoring control may not be there, but essentially it is important to include the monitor and control to charge the heavy duty batteries for the safety of the charger as well as for the battery. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thank you.